Hey guys, it's 11:36. Sorry for the delay. We're running a final mini here for Brian's 12-back Luke and Power of the Force B-Wing pilot. I got 40 spots that I'm going to take over to random to find our top 3. Copy them here. Paste them right in here. 40 of them. Awesome. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. So we're in good shape to battle it up and find our winners. Here we go. Troy takes the first round with number 37. Mark round 2 and round 3. Jimmy in the top spot for our next to last round, round 4 with number 10, bringing us to the ever important final round. There it is. And our winners are Don and CJ. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. Favio. FFAVEO is our verification code. There's our winners and results. I'm done at 11:37. There you have it. One last time, here's the verification. Congratulations to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks. I'm sorry again for the wait.